Hey guys, Mike here with Mosquito Bite Mike. So, you know, the big graduation's coming up. You've volunteered to cook, 100 pounds of brisket, 50 pounds of pork. So you go out, you start the fire, and you come back, and all of a sudden you figure out that you got no temperature here. It's like, what's going on? And then it dawns on you, check this out, that you have a draft problem. That, my friends, is a draft problem. And as you can see, the wind is just whistling through this little area and it's drafting backwards, and there's no room to move the pit. It doesn't exactly turn around. So, hey, what do you gotta do? So, gotta do something. All these briskets aren't gonna cook themselves. So I'm gonna show you a way to, if you have this problem with a smaller rig, you can, especially if it's on wheels, you can move it around, you can get it oriented in the wind correctly so you can regulate your temperature, or at least even get your temperature to what you need it to be. But if you have a rig like this and you're stuck in a place that you got to cook, you got to kind of come up with a plan B. And so let me show you what plan B looks like. There you go. It's not pretty, but it works, and we got the fire going the right direction now, so hopefully about 15 minutes this temperature will be up at cooking level. We'll just have to wait and see. Okay, so you can see what we're doing here. Yeah, baby. 275, 260. Look at all that happiness. Happiness. Look at those brisket. Look at those brisket. Look, some more brisket down there. Beautiful. Let's look at it over here, since we're violating every barbecue rule there is by opening the barbecue pit. Alright. Looking good, baby. Looking good. Alright. Cool. So stay tuned. We're going to do a whole series this summer on smoking and grilling how-tos, as well as tips and tricks. So you want to watch for that. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.